Got this.
This is the hardest part right here, just getting up on it.
And once you stand up, it's all good.
Yeah.
So you put your foot here?
Well, just on there.
Just anywhere you can get a grip.
Yeah.
Once you stand up, then you got it.
There you go. There you go.
Get that.
There you go.
Yeah, you
Nice.
got it.
Let's ride that crack all the way up.
Yeah, just walk it up, man.
Both hands on the crack.
Oh man.
You got it?
Now there's all kinds of steps inside there.
Yeah.
I fucking hate you guys. I'm totally stuck.
Just use the crack and the edge, just like you've been doing. There you go.
Now you're good.
Hell yeah, man.
There you go, man.
Oh man, it's so easy.